Hello, this is Munib, growth strategist from Growth Beyond Horizon. So here we are back again with Amazon video. So if Amazon ever suspends your account, take a deep breath and don't panic. At Growth Beyond Horizon, we have seen this happen to countless sellers, and the biggest mistake they make is reacting emotionally or creating a new account. That move alone can lead to a permanent ban. What you need instead is a clear, structured recovery plan. First, identify exactly why your account was suspended, whether it's a policy violation, late order performance, or a linked account issue. Every suspension has a trigger, and Amazon expects you to understand it before asking for reinstatement. Next, prepare a strong plan of action, and this is where most sellers fail. Amazon doesn't care about long explanations or emotional appeals. It wants to see how you have analyzed the root cause, what immediate corrective actions you have taken, and what preventive systems you have implemented to make sure it never happens again. At GBH, our recovery framework focuses on exactly that: root cause, correction, and prevention, helping sellers rebuild trust with Amazon and recover their accounts faster than they ever expected. Remember, suspension doesn't mean your business is over. It's just a system check, a reminder to operate better. So if your account is down or you are getting early warnings on your performance metrics, don't wait for it to get worse. Reach out to Growth Beyond Horizon and we will help you recover, rebuild, and rise stronger than before. Because at Growth Beyond Horizon, we don't just grow a business, we protect them. So if you like the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and give a like to this video. I'll catch you guys in another video.